In this video, I want to show you how to connect Bluetooth earphones, Bluetooth headphones to your iPad 11 generation with the A16 chip. So the first step to do that is, well, to put your Bluetooth headphones in pairing mode before even doing anything on the iPad. Depending which brand you have, these are some Beats, you're gonna have a button most of the time in the case or on the back somewhere. Some headphones don't have any buttons on the case, you just have to press the buttons. So just check the manual of your headphones and put them in pairing mode. Over here, I simply have to press that button until the light on the front blinks. All right, it blinks. I'll put these aside. Now the iPad has a software update, I don't want that, so I'll close it. And now next step, you have to open the settings. You can press on the settings icon and click on Bluetooth. Okay, we are in the Bluetooth menu on the left side, and right over here under devices, you're going to see all the devices that are trying to pair with your iPad, including your headphones. So simply tap on them and you're going to see connected after a few seconds. And this is it. You can start using them, put them in your ear, use them, and the sound will not come out of your iPad speakers. They will come out of your headphones or earbuds. At the end, if you're done using them, simply put them back in the case or turn them off, and automatically the iPad will detect that they're turned off and the sound will come out automatically out of the speakers. You can also click the I button right over here. And in that case, you're going to get all the information about your earbuds, but over here, you're going to also get forget this device. You need to press this button only when you will never use them again with your iPad. It will completely remove them from the iPad. But overall, this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll put links in the description towards my favorite earbuds, Bluetooth earbuds that I recommend. In case you want to check them out on Amazon, I'll put links there. So see you in the next one.